So let me show you the colors I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using Quinacridone Magenta by Amsterdam. This is a mixture of Alizarin Red with this little piggy Grenache. And then this is a combination also of Quinacridone Rose mixed with Quinacridone Magenta and a little bit of Mango, Primary Elements Mango Mamba. And then I have Gold Bright. And I have, by this little piggy, Watermelon. So those are our colors. Gonna start off in that order. Well, we'll start out with the Quinacridone Magenta. I usually put too much, so I'm gonna go small today, and we'll see if I can keep negative space. And then the Alizarin Red. And then the mixture, the Quin Rose, Quin Magenta, kind of an orangey coral color. It's pretty. And then I'm gonna put on this little piggy. I love this color. I use this color a lot. Whoops, let me get rid of that. Hard to do things with gloves, especially if they're a little bit big. Good enough. All right, I'm gonna put on some gold. Well, let me pop some of those bubbles there. And I'm gonna do a little of the magenta on top. I'm gonna be using Oxide Black Cell Activator. And we'll blow it out. Pretty much in the center still. Still pretty much small. Oh, let's hope this goes well. And if not, always do it again. This is my little flower dryer, and I usually use it on low. First let me blow in the center. Okay. I'm gonna wait a few seconds for it to kind of do its thing. And then I'll modify it a little bit. Let me use my straw to blow in the middle. See if I can get a few more cells. They're never the same when you do it like that, though. As when it's just normally made. All right. Here's my napkin. Always wipe off your skewer when you're doing that. All right, let's spin it out slowly. Looking pretty. Excuse me. Well, that's pretty. A little bit more, just a little. I don't want. I always lose my skewer. Oh, there it is. I'm gonna test and see how much paint is in the middle. Oh, not much at all. I'm gonna keep it like that. I love the color combo. What are you thinking? Do you love this? If I can go bigger and bigger. All right. Okay, the next one, I'm gonna do this exact same colors and layering, and we will see, we'll try going bigger. I kept the white space, which I wanted. All right. Well, blessings to you. Until the next time, I'll see ya. Stay warm, healthy, and blessed.